Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure WhatsApp can access your mic and files. This is why recordings appear on status. Once permissions are set, decide whether you will record now or use an existing audio file. Open WhatsApp and tap the Status tab. This begins the process. If you plan to use an existing file, locate it in Files or Voice Memos so it's ready. Now, tap the camera or Add icon to proceed. This moves you to the next step where you attach or record audio. Now you attach or create the audio. Tap the camera for video status or the paperclip/document icon to pick an audio file. WhatsApp treats audio as a document for status. If recording live, press and hold the microphone icon, speak clearly and release to save. Once the audio is selected or recorded, use the editor to trim length and add text or stickers. This matters because status has visual limits. Make sure the clip fits your intended message before moving to the final upload step. You're ready to finish. Preview your status and trim if necessary. This is why previewing prevents awkward cutoffs. Add a caption or sticker to provide context and then set visibility. Choose my contacts accept or only share with because control matters. Tap send or post to publish. Once posted, open your status view to confirm the audio plays correctly. If playback fails, try re-uploading the file or converting it to MP3. That troubleshooting step resolves most compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.